Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today we're going to talk about the number one secret to creating a revolutionary brand. So, in my opinion, the number one secret to creating a revolutionary brand is really understanding what your market wants and how to communicate that you are the person to actually give them what they want. Now, for many years, I always communicated in terms of what people actually wanted. I'm sorry, in terms of what they actually needed. So what that meant was if I could see that the person just was terrible at sales skills, then I would say, okay, cool. You need to be able to, do one, two, three, four, five, six things inside of your consultation, and then we're going to be able to do this. Do you want to start working with me? No. That's what I need, but I don't really know. And then you would see them a couple months later in the same position, but they had bought a bunch of other programs that, spoke in terms of what they wanted. But at the end of the day, they didn't get what they needed. So you as, either an accountant or as a coach or as a therapist who has very great intentions for your clients, you need to start learning how to communicate what people actually want, like what their actual desires are. But then in addition to that, when they actually purchase from you, give them what they need so that they actually benefit from it. It's a very, very interesting balance, right? Because a lot of the times the people who are on the interwebs and they are like promising like just stupid things like you're going to become a trillionaire overnight, or here's life coach tip number one that's going to give you the perfect life without any kind of work or anything, or here's the magic tool that's going to allow your accounts to automatically keep their own books and automatically do accounting for you. When in actuality, what someone would need for life coaching is you need to be able to put in the work for X amount of months or X amount of process and time, and then you're going to manually learn how to actually either regulate your emotions, how to not be reactive, how to communicate better, various topics like that, right? But when you're actually talking to those people, it's hey, I understand that you don't want to lash out. And this is how I believe that you can help. Maybe for their, for example, for me, yeah, I understand that you actually want to be able to quit your job. And then when we actually start working together, we have to say 1, 2, 3, 4 are the things you actually need in addition to what you wanted, right? But that's how you start creating that revolutionary brand. You have to, one, know how to actually help people and actually get them the results they need. 2, actually understand what the people want. And then 3, be able to combine the two to, in a way, speak exactly what people want, but then actually give them what they need to actually see the results and see, success in their life and their business. If that's something that you've been struggling to do, build a revolutionary brand. Maybe you've been trying for maybe 1, 2, maybe even 5 years, some people I've heard, who you've been spinning your wheels, been really moving, but just hasn't found that success. Maybe even feel like, you've fallen through the cracks of life. You see all these other people on the internet, or you see all these other people in your location or your town who are making a lot of money, who are impacting people, and who are like moving forward with their life, but you're still in that same place that you were maybe 2, 3 years ago. For a long time I was in that same position. But once I figured out exactly what I needed to do to start moving forward, I was able to implement that for myself, and then I was able to transfer that to my clients. If that's something you've been searching for, I recommend you go take the first step, which is go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, I give you everything that you need to start moving forward towards that business and the life that I believe you deserve. So if that's what you've been searching for, go check out the link in the description below, and then we can start moving forward towards that winning tradition. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day, take it easy, talk to you soon, see you later.